stirring occasionally. Roasting enhances the flavor and release. By making our food from scratch, we restore balance and intention to our diets. The nutritional symphony. Nut butters are not merely delicious, they are a symphony of nutrients essential for our health. They are rich in protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support everything from brain function to heart health. By making them at home, we ensure that we consume these nutrients in their purest form, free from the additives and preservatives often found in commercial varieties. Protein, essential for muscle repair and growth. Nut butters provide a plant-based source of this vital nutrient. For athletes and active individuals, this protein content supports recovery and performance. Healthy fats. Nuts are abundant in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are crucial for brain health and reducing inflammation. These fats also provide long-lasting energy, sustaining us throughout our day. Vitamins and minerals. Nuts are a rich source of vitamins E and B, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, all which play key roles in maintaining our overall well-being. These nutrients support immune function, bone health, and metabolic processes. In the words of Epicurus, not what we have but what we enjoy constitutes our abundance. By mindfully creating and consuming nut butters, we cultivate a sense of abundance, enjoying the rich tapestry of nutrients that nature offers. The legacy of legends. As we dive into the wisdom of legends and philosophers, we find inspiration in their reverence for food and its preparation. The philosopher Plutarch once noted we should look for someone to eat and drink with before looking for something to eat and drink. This highlights the importance of community and shared experience in our eating practices. Sharing homemade nut butters with loved ones transforms the simple act of eating into a ritual of connection and gratitude. It is a legacy we pass on, teaching future generations the value of mindfulness and intentionality in their dietary choices. The communal table. Our journey does not end with the creation of nut butters. It extends to the communal table where we share the fruits of our labor with loved ones. Eating together fosters a sense of community, connection, and shared purpose. The act of preparing and consuming food becomes a celebration of life, a ritual that binds us together and nourishes not just our bodies but our souls. In sharing homemade nut butters, we not only nourish our bodies but also feed our souls, finding joy in the simple pleasures of life. The communal table becomes a sacred space where we honor the abundance of nature and the bonds of fellowship. Practical applications. Nut butters are incredibly versatile, lending themselves to a variety of culinary applications. Spread on toast. A classic and simple way to enjoy nut butter is to spread it on whole grain toast. Add sliced bananas or berries for extra nutrition and flavor. This combination offers a balanced mix of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats, making it a perfect breakfast or snack. Smoothies. Blend a spoonful of nut butter into your morning smoothie for a creamy texture and a boost of protein. This addition enhances the nutritional profile of your smoothie, providing sustained energy and satiety. Baking. Use nut butter as a base for healthy baked goods, such as cookies, muffins, or energy bars. Nut butters add moisture, richness, and a dose of nutrients to your homemade treats. sauces and dressings. Create a rich, creamy sauce or dressing by mixing nut butter with ingredients like soy sauce, lime juice, and ginger. This versatile sauce can be drizzled over salads, stir-fries, or grilled vegetables. Dips: combine nut butter with yogurt, herbs, and spices for a nutritious and delicious dip for vegetables or fruits. This dip makes for a satisfying and nutrient-dense snack, perfect for sharing. Conclusion: in the search of good eating, we are called to make choices that honor our health and well-being. By creating homemade nut butters, we take a step toward reclaiming the ancient wisdom of nourishment. We engage in a mindful practice that connects us to the source of our food and celebrates the simple, profound act of eating well. With our dietary choices, we must stand firm, make mindful decisions, and be prepared to resist the temptations of poor eating habits. In doing so, we create a life that is not only healthy but deeply fulfilling, where every meal becomes an opportunity to nourish our body, mind, and spirit. By making our own nut butters, we cultivate a deeper connection to our food, our health, and our community. Go on a path of intentional, joyful, and holistic nourishment. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.